In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit responses in Google Forms. By the end, you'll have your form set up so each person can submit only once, helping you keep signups fair, surveys clean, and data free from duplicates. Start with your Google form open. At the top, go to Settings. This is where all the submission rules live. Think of Settings as the control center for who can respond, how many times they can respond, and what information you collect with each submission. Inside Settings, open the Responses section. Everything we need is here. These options determine how Google Forms handles each entry and what checks it performs to prevent repeat submissions. First, turn on Collect Email Addresses and set it to Verified. Verified means respondents must sign in with a Google account, and their email will be automatically captured and confirmed. This is important because limiting responses works best when each submission is tied to a real, signed-in account. It also gives you a reliable way to follow up, send confirmations, or deduplicate results later if needed. If you're concerned about privacy, consider adding a short note at the top of your form explaining that emails are collected only to prevent duplicate submissions. Next, enable Limit to One Response. When this is on, Google Forms checks the signed-in account and blocks additional submissions from the same person. Respondents who try to fill it out again will see a message that they've already responded. This setting pairs with the verified email collection, so the one-per-person rule actually sticks. A few tips to keep in mind. Requiring a verified email means respondents must be signed in to Google to submit. If your audience doesn't use Google accounts, let them know ahead of time, or consider whether this limitation fits your use case. If you're using a work or school Google Workspace, you may also see options related to your organization's domain. Those can further restrict access to people in your organization, which can be helpful for internal surveys or class registrations. If you want people to fix typos without submitting a second response, look for the setting that allows edits after submit. That way they can update their original entry without creating duplicates. That's it. Open Settings, go to Responses, set Collect Email Addresses to Verified, and turn on Limit to One Response. Share your form link as usual, and your respondents will be limited to one clean, verified submission.